Hey y'all, it's me Marty. Quick little video here just to show you some things that I've made in my downtime. So this is another what I do in my downtime on the road truck driving video. So my wonderful wife and I are on the road still. We went from Minnesota to California, and now we're loaded from California going to Tennessee, and we're parked near Shawnee, Oklahoma at a Sinclair, little old Sinclair truck stop here. We're doing our 34-hour break here. It is Saturday afternoon, and yeah, just doing some different things, making the best use of our time. And one of the things I did was I carved a few spoons, and I decided to show you a few new things. Actually, they're not all spoons, but as you see at the beginning there, I have them sitting on a paper towel in the window drying, because I just put mineral oil on them. So I decided to show you these. Kind of a fun thing. I really enjoy woodworking. This is one of my favorite forms of woodworking. It's something I can do anywhere, so it's kind of fun. So I made a few new things. So this here is called a spurtle. I was just looking for something new to make, and I seen a spurtle, and it's kind of my version of a spurtle. And it's made out of mahogany. It's kind of like a spatula, but it's got a curve and it's kind of rounded, so you could, whatever, you know, you could use it for batter in a bowl, or you know, you could even flip things. You could fry with it, and fry, you know, but it could be for batter or cooking or frying or flipping or whatever. Kind of neat. It turned out nice. I actually, so what I do is I pre-cut all my spoons and other utensils and whittles and stuff on my scroll saw, and then so I have the basic shape, and then I do all the carving and sanding and finishing by hand. And it, well, actually scroll sawing is by hand too, for that matter, but turned out kind of neat. That's a spurtle I just made. And then I actually made a fork. I've been wanting to make a fork. I've tried a couple times. Making a fork is one of the hard things to do, just because you got the tines and everything. It's really hard to do start from finish. There's some people out there can do it, but I can't. Again, I'm kind of an amateur carver. I'm just learning, but I just like to share how I learn. But I actually pre-cut it on the scroll saw, so it looks pretty nice, because I could do the curve and everything. So I pre-cut it on the scroll saw. Again, this is mahogany, and then I finished carving it and sanding it, finishing it. So that turned out kind of nice. Yeah. So then I have two spoons, and these are two woods that my friend Chris gave me from California. Thanks again, Chris. He gave me some pecan, whatever you want to call it, and some pistachio. Now, this is one of the, I like making these small little spoons for like stirring coffee. And this is pecan. Turned out really nice, pretty grain and color in there. It's kind of a different color on the end there, kind of pretty. I don't know, kind of like a knot in there or a blemish or something. That's what's neat about wood. It's not supposed to be perfect. There's all different kinds of blemishes, knots, and different streaks and grains and color. That's what makes it fun. And actually, I might actually do some more sanding on these when I get home, power sanding. I sand everything by hand, but sometimes it gets really hard. I'm pretty sure I got carpal tunnel and arthritis in my hands. My hands were killing me after sanding these, but still like to do it. It's fun. But yeah, that's a little coffee stir that I like to make. Really small. I don't do the bowl really deep. It's just for stirring coffee or tea or different things, hot chocolate. So that's kind of fun. It's a little coffee stir out of pecan. And then this is like an eating spoon out of pistachio. Look at that. Is that pretty? Look at the grain and color in there. Just turned out really nice. Again, I don't make my spoons or any of these things perfect. I'm not perfect, and I don't like to make things perfect. And so each one is unique and different. And look at the color there. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. So I pre-cut all these on my scroll saw, and then now on the road the last couple hours I carved them, and I did a lot of sanding. And then I raised the grain with water, let them dry, and then I did finish sanding, and finished them with pure mineral oil. That's what I put on them. I put mineral oil on them. That's all I use. I like to use use that because it's food safe and it's affordable and it looks really nice. So yeah, kind of a neat, I like this one. Of the 4 things I just made, I think this pistachio spoon turned out the nicest, really pretty. Anyway, yeah, I just want to show you a few things I'm doing in my downtime here, and quick little video, and let y'all know if you didn't already see the notice. Doing a live stream today, 2 p.m. Central Time, here from, where are we? Oklahoma, from a truck stop. And my wonderful wife and we're going to talk about childhood memories, all different things, and then also we're going to share one of our favorite hobbies each, and yeah, just have some show and tell and Q&A and stuff, and we'll probably have a special drink and snack for the live stream. And yeah, so if you're not busy today at 2 p.m. Central, join us for a live stream from Oklahoma. We'll have some fun together. Bring your questions and comments and complaints, and we'll have a good time. So anyway, just wanted to show you some things I carved today. Hope you're all doing well, and we'll see you on the next video.